All right, guys, we're going to cook up a 2.5-year-old water glassed egg. This is water glass. This is my water glassing. It's got about 50 eggs in it. They're about 2.5 years old. It's a concentration of pickling lime and water where the bacteria can't get in and the eggs stay fresh. Supposedly, the consistency gets a little gross after about 18 months. We're at about 2.5 years, so we're going to see what this looks like. Just going to pop one open. Probably should throw some oil in here real quick, a little bit of olive oil. We ain't going to eat this. I think it would be fine. I cracked one yesterday. It smelled fine. I'm pretty sure it's fine, but we're not going to eat it. No way. Yeah, so, okay, grab one. I got to recycle these. I'm getting extra eggs, so it's time to throw these out. I just hate throwing them out because I think they're good food. So, all right, we're getting this. Boom. Let's crack her open, let you guys see what it looks like. 2.5 years old. I ain't kidding. It's crazy. And I made sure they don't stink because I did one yesterday just in case. Oh, yeah, look at that. It's like water. That's wild. But there you go. The yolk's fine. Let's see what it looks like when it cooks. This is cool. We turn up the heat. Yeah, the white was like water. I ate these at 18 months, and it did get very, like, a lot of air bubbles in it. The consistency was already getting kind of strange. But, man, if you need food over a long term, when the zombies come or, you know, the avian flu takes away all the eggs, you've got these for at least a little bit. There's no smell whatsoever. Smells like egg. That's wild. You don't have to refrigerate this. You just set it in your cabinet, and they're going to stay fresh because there's nothing in here that can survive this pickling lime solution that could despoil or bespoil, I don't know, spoil your eggs. Oh, that's not good. Look at that. I don't know if can you guys see that on there? I'll get a close up here in a second. I didn't get very good oil. You turn up really high just to get her done. So yeah, like a normal white, once it, you know, it would have some consistency and strength, and you could, but this is just like powder. Powdered eggs. Yolk's still looking great though. Yeah, that's what I'm getting when I'm trying to flip it. What happens if I break that sucker? Yeah, it's an egg. But that's where we're at. 2.5-year egg, water glassing, very cool. Goodbye.